mabedu Ghana boa ye papa Bawumia in the campaign. So be ya Ghana for being any that so because campaign we say ya can about Ghana for that. Into see net media who be shame. To my baby do Ghana. I baba boy jumedi.
It's for the next 1 month or so, campaign quant. Hey, and where are you? Campaign quant in what tickets. Na ticket na yasa business class as the lady.
Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusiafo ene Ghana for more US and omo kase na omo say about to eda ye ni minti. Omo to play. We from US abedu Ghana. Omo be support Dr. Bawumia. No wa to amembu no so. Because omo ntina ho na free SHS enkokwa. STEM schools ekoso enkokwa. Enyama pa na ado ababaye enkokwa. Titru pani free SHS na ye kan dis for free SHS ye there no. Ghana for omo tia brochiri na omo nim na ekoso wa brochiri say education na e develop your mind education e dey on mind in the na me no. Omo ntina ho na dis for fe kokon ketenkete me bread education na se. Mapinda da ma ha me yiske ma headmasters wo hogum nkodi dwa wa bra headmaster na eja school no ho na nsim hu kwaso ho nti no na Dr. Bawumia to amembu ni so na mo na mo di free SHS buy na mo ni mekwan a mo be fa so a ebe yenti ensema ekoso
800 me can say mo credit in there I support the credit system no because mo ma bro check akra ya me be wie kra me nya credit kakra ene me credit ya ko 800 me ti wo kra na me suma say omo ma me Mastercard come say beje Mastercard but I dey me say me to him pato me obi na mbobore me ti abroche me nya aduma mam pepe asem bia ma me but me tumi building me credit kaka credit system ni I agree say it's a good thing I was here nyina I support it. That's why I didn't like the idea say enkofobi omanya exposure wa abroche Ghana for bebre nya aduma obi so ya aduma boja nya credit pa na obeti me nya ta Ghana na yetumi toka yesi atoka 200 million 300 million. I'm not sure what go free. But if you have a good credit, you have the amount, no what your chance, any 300, 400, 500. No what you are. So I'm not there. It's not about politics.
Mamisha personal experience. Me say, Namia do me ba abroche ba a master's degree. Me ba hana me nimo biya. Sabi yo phone cry, meeting me the calls, and as meeting the number access for my resume. I bet my friend for a juma because I'm here on campus. That's why just part time. I said, "Okay, Juma." I saw the phone number. Let me can me nibi. But I said, "No, because I'm about American internet. I didn't even have a credit. But I'm a student number." Inti tell my boss say me here phone no. Me call bank say oh, go me trying to go for me credit. No more maybe. Inti me call home me bank say oh, say na check then make me here make me na credit nibi. How much my bank can check? I say you be a secure credit. Secure credit no. So wow, sika. No, they go to bank. They say, "Hi, give me 200 cedis." Now me now about $300. But go to bank now. That bank rewards card actually. That bank issue credit card amount. Every day you want sika no. Intimate now. You cannot do say, "Who just a scanner?" Now build credit amount. But I say, "Did you me and say, let me shopping every 2 weeks. You try a car. No, go give me that brand. You go give me that. In 2 weeks, no, go to me. I maybe within the next 2 weeks." When them say me and for the next 3 months, na bank no say me be no kreno. Na bank issue a regular credit card, mama.
Sir.
And I'm say me dey build me credit. I'm go to my first phone. My first can be to what I say. Phone company mama phone say okay, your prices. Open iPhone $500. Open the down payment to. But open na 3310 it's free. To me I'm afraid them mobile so as a student, na me dey basic phone. Free I'm a monthly bill. Oh, sir, this idea when Dr. Bawumia so the bagana. Intimate abrocha. Me say no. I say the bagana be cheche me nuanum. So idea when say ebe ki Bawumia tumpon. Because me it's my lifestyle. Let's put it that way. Idea Bawumia never be me person me do. I think say something I say to me Ghana for you know say. Papa this idea no. And never to the Ghana do for person be say kono.
But I think that the credit card system is something that President Mahama believes in. Because I think go tell President Mahama at the time I remember very vividly say the time he was always pushing for say young building. That's why I said this will be criticizing Ghana card. I said that this is Mahama's baby. Mahama so he was always pushing say NHIS no any electoral commission voter ID card no, any Ghana card, you fuse it into one card. In fact, I don't think Muhammad I lolo bus by any other card therefore. So me when this go be no more against Ghana card. I said, this is your baby. Baby President Kufuor do your mama intended to continue. If you want you content, this is technically his thing. Even going for it to even support data center no cry no. I way idea about boa be I say health insurance and President Kufuor the buy any on one. Ukwa krabia so because to kobewu. Besin ne. Papa baby I mean no say if I my last born you Kufuor and Kamere went to one city because of maternal health. You know. It's
and now me do Ghana Meba, that time me buy me Ghana card. With the United ne buy. We are able to beat my verify. But I'm going to see being true.
One found passport.
I'm going to passport. No, me Ghana card ne buy. United. I'm going to tell you a story. See me. Mami tell me check you no. What I say? Intimidate me Ghana card. I don't say Ghana card. So over Ukro man. You have to share a form of ID which the country accepts. And Ghana accepts say, but it means you from Ghana card by US. What I say? But I can remember Ghana card as a Ghanaian no to Ghana. Now I'm going to say you've been slow. Intimidate me Ghana card. Emma, the say you know, customs say me ban. Tell me my airline need that. Me go through customs. And I share Ghana card no. No, but I'm saying I've seen people use this card. But how different is it from our regular friend saying? Those America you driver's license.
Yeah,
and
driver's
social
license
security card.
ID.
What I say? So this card fuses those two documents into one. Because our Ghana card is a form of ID, which you can see on it. It has my biometric data and also has a number, a unique identification number. So this one card is a card that fuses American social security card and American driver's license. What do you remember? Africa is getting so developed. So in the next 10 years, Africa is going to overtake the world in development. Yes, of course. That's what we are journeying for. We are not going to wait for that 300 years to develop. We are developing now. He was so impressed. We have such an idea. To me, as a Ghanaian, I was so proud. What did I say? And Sanya must say that
Ghana. Na ono na say oba Ghana na na o chere me say the oba ye ne Ghana card obegie ne bank ono account of Ghana oba ye so ko retrieve on the Ghana branch pack king my branch 10 gram odu ne bank I say me bank ne sim patch Ghana card ni wa untumi nye. He was so impressed ne Ghana card no ko aho ayi a wakoye me na me ketwa oba Ghana sa of London oba ne Ghana card ni ade oba ye na de na ode ko enti no Ghana is going somewhere and whether the person has to continue. But somebody wanted to correct me, say, Mahaman can't credit score. No one said Francis Okan say, no, it's true, Mahaman can't credit score. But I think this is something I said, Mahaman cry, he will support the credit score system. Mahaman watana broche that when you said your credit score, no, a boa broche, we see only a juma, better than build the credit. Me near juma, but me crew where you know, household income, na me they build the credit. And me so me try there one city metia. $1 met you, and I've been able to build my credit to about 800. You know, I have a good credit score. So I didn't be bunny and Tiasia. Mama, I didn't to me. I said to say, oil, not Yama Benuado when you're baby because you are Kubangwa and your Kubangwa, and the oil no is one of the biggest source of revenue pool for Ghana. So, Ghana no him, and we must all encourage it. I think we'll be and now, you see, I'm so proud as a